I'm Jen, and this is Sayuri, and welcome to our studio. This is becoming a thing now. Every time I go to film, she's like, pick me up. And she's not really nice about asking either. She kind of just climbs up. So this is a thing, and that's okay because we love cats on this channel. And even if you don't love cats, look at how cute this is. Come on. All right, so today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. And it's, I want to say intermediate advanced, but it can be done at any level if you change the tempo. But for the purpose of today's video, we'll call it intermediate advanced. And it includes paddle rolls and cramp rolls. So I'm really, really excited. And are you excited? She's purring so loud. I don't even know if it's translating to the mic, but I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's intense. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the pattern is paddle, roll, ball change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So 4 and is your ball change, and you're just gonna let 2 paddle rolls happen without a break. Dig, spank, step, ball change. So a paddle roll is just dig, spank, step. It's a little different from a paddle and roll. When you add the and, you're adding a 4th sound. So people call, what I call a paradiddle, they call a paddle and roll. This is a paddle roll. That's what I call it. Maybe you have a different name for it. But it's just dig, spank, step. There's no heel to it. All right. I really need to put you down. I know you're going to be so mad. All right. Paddle, roll, ball change. So that's dig, spank, step, and then ball change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that ball change is going to be quick and like little, so it'll almost feel like a run. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it's going to have this like run quality to it. Where are you going? She like ran across the room. All right. Dig, spank, step, ball change. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So do it twice in a row. Dig, spank, step, ball change. Dig, spank, step, ball change. So it gives it a little syncopation, you know? Twice in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Good, that's the first like half of this phrase. Then 4 paddle rolls in a row and a cramp roll. So you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So basically the sound is just continuous, but the accent's gonna be different because of the steps that we're doing. Isn't that cool? So this one's gonna go paddle, roll, step, heel. 4 paddle rolls and a cramp roll. Right cramp roll. So it's gonna go right, left, right, left. Okay? All right, let's try just that ender. The paddle roll times 4, cramp roll. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. One more time, then we'll put them together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So let's do the whole pattern together. Paddle, roll, ball change. Paddle, roll, ball change. Paddle, roll, step, heel. That is easier to do than it is to say, so let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. To anyone not listening to the accents, that literally just sounds like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. It just sounds like continuous like beat. But when you're listening to the accent and picking up on when the dig happens versus when the spank happens and listening to the changes in like timbre, it is such a cool pattern. All right, let's try it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 repeat the whole thing. But instead of a cramp roll, we just stamp. So the end is going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. And why are we doing that? So we can start on the left. So the pattern is what we did. So paddle, roll, ball change twice, 4 paddle rolls and a cramp roll. Then paddle, roll, ball change twice, 4 paddle rolls and a stamp. Then you do both of those things starting with the left foot. So let's try with the left foot, just that first line. Paddle, roll, ball change, paddle, roll, ball change, paddle, roll, 2, 3, 4, cramp roll. I want to say it again. All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 and 15 and 16 and 17. I didn't miss a spank, but it was definitely way too quiet, and so I don't know if you heard it or not, but the count, it's there. Okay? I was like, what? Why was it so quiet? All right, let's try it one more time. Left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good, so make sure that that cramp roll is left, right, because you need your left foot free to do the second line. So let's try the second line. No cramp roll, just a stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right. So, right, then left. Let's do it. Then we'll try it with music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 again. Hold 8. Left. It's a lot of noise, but I love noise. Don't you love noise? All right, so let's try it to some music. Hopefully this tempo isn't too fast, but like I said, intermediate, advanced, let's play with it. But you can take that tempo super slow with your classes or yourself. You learned the combination. You have all the steps together. But maybe the tempo is too fast, so you can slow down this video and do it with me at a slower pace, because YouTube lets you do that. Or if you're bringing it to your classes and you're like, I think this tempo is good for tap 3, but maybe for tap 2 I need to find a song that's slower. It works at a slower tempo. It absolutely works at a slower tempo. So whatever you need to use it for, pick the tempo that you want and it will match the level that you're trying to teach. It's paddle rolls and cramp rolls. That's tap 1. So this can do any level. The faster you make it, the harder it is to get those accents right and to keep it even, which makes it a great advanced exercise. I love this one. I always say that when I make an exercise, but seriously, no, I love this one. All right, so let's try it with some music. All right, so our tempo, dig, spank, step, ball change, dig, spank, step, ball change. Faster, maybe a lot faster. All right, so that's a great tempo, and if you want to do that a bunch of times, you can pick any song to do that to, or you can just rewind and do that as many times as you want to with me. But yeah, let's try a little bit faster. And by a little bit, I mean a lot of it. Dig, spike, step, ball change. Dig, spike, step, ball change. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 8. That one more time just to make sure we got it. That tempo was fast. I kind of just threw us into it. Why not? Let's try it one more time. It can only get better from where we're at, right? Yes, whichever cat just made a noise, you agreed with me. Ready? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Really enjoyed this tutorial today. I love this exercise a lot. It makes me feel excited because like the rhythm is fun to do, even though it's just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the accents on it, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. It just makes it so much more fun to do. It's a great one to practice rhythm with your students or yourself. It's also a great one to practice keeping your sounds even, because that's probably the hardest part. Is what I meant to say. It's probably the hardest part about it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and instead of going, you know, it's very even. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Evenness of sound is probably, in my opinion, the hardest thing to do in tap. Especially at slower tempos, to be honest. All right, so I hope you had a blast with this. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials, choreography tutorials set to music that I love, you love, we all love. It's great stuff. So you can learn dances with me, exercises, anything that you want. There's vlogs, there's challenges, lots of fun stuff on this channel. It's all free tap dance content and it's all for you. So come learn to tap dance with me and join the Tap fam by subscribing. Also, hit that thumbs up button because Sayuri was adorable in the beginning of this and now I can't find her. I'm concerned. So hit that thumbs up for Sayuri, but also hitting the thumbs up helps other tap dancers find these videos easier. And I really just want to share these free lessons with as many people as possible. So if you hit that thumbs up, other tap dancers might be able to find this just a little bit easier. Thank you, YouTube algorithm. So yeah, thank you so much for everything, for always tap dancing with me. And I just said pretty much the line I always end with, so I'll say it again anyway. As always, thank you for dancing with me.